Happy Friday, chemists. So this is the final day that we're working on your QPA or mini QPA 2. So today is Friday, April 10th. So let's get started. So what we are working on today, let me just wait for Zoom to load. So as always, my contact information, I'll text, email me if you have any questions or concerns. We're still working on our same objective and still working on our same standard. So we are analyzing the different factors that affect the rate of a chemical reaction. So what we're doing, we should be on page 9 of your guys' mini QPA number 2. So now we're moving on to part 3. You guys took your little break watching this YouTube video about the world record video. It's actually really cute, and basically they just make this elephant toothpaste, and what's happening is we are let me see if I can give myself, I don't have time for that. Okay, so part 3 is seeing how hydrogen peroxide reacts with different reactants to create a faster reaction. So this little YouTube video is just kind of a brain break to watch elephant toothpaste, and it leads into, at a much smaller scale, what is going on in part 3. So instead of part 3 having a video, you are given the description of what's going on. So you're given materials and procedure. From that, you need to be able to write what the procedure is, so what is happening, what's going on. On page 10, as always, you have the questions that you're thinking about. So what is he or she doing? What's going on? What are the conditions? What are we testing? Except for our data and observation part down here, you are given the conditions and observations in the form of a table here. So you're given nothing is added, no reaction occurs, NaCl is added, no reaction occurs, copper chloride is added, this is what happens, a very rapid reaction occurs, potassium iodide is added, this is what reaction occurs. So I've also included in here, not named exact experiment, but how copper chloride reacts with hydrogen peroxide, and then how potassium iodide reacts with hydrogen peroxide, just so you guys have a little reference for what's going on in the quickness of these reactions. So same as always, you guys are writing the procedure, writing your data and observations, writing your analysis. So what is happening? What do you think the rate changing factor is? Always, you're going to have these questions here on the right to think about. Modeling the experiment, so visually what is going on, and then drawing representation, and then finally your conclusion. So make your final determination about what of the four factors that we've talked about on the very first page, if you need a reminder. So these 4 different factors, so which one is being represented by the description that you're getting and the data that you're receiving. So pause me now to do that. Sorry, you guys can't see me. I don't know how to get my face up there. Pause me now to do that. To complete pages 9 up until page 14. So part 3 of your packet, you're writing the procedure, your observations and the data, the analysis, your modeling, and then your conclusion, part 3. Okay, welcome back. So now we're going to move on to page 14 and part 4. So we're back to normal. You have a video to watch. So watch this video and you are determining again what the rate changing factor is. As always, you are telling me what the procedure is. So you have all of these questions to be thinking about. Tell me what the procedure is, describe what's happening in the video. You're going to tell me the data and observation. So what is changing, what is happening. Again, you have all these questions on the right here for you to think about. You're going to analyze what's happening. So think about what is going on. So what's going on in this reaction? that you're observing. So what is our rate changing factor that's being represented? What are we changing about it? Think about what's happening at the molecular level. Model it, as always, draw a visual representation of it. Again, we have our guiding questions on the right here. And then finally, our conclusion. So you're making the determination of what is happening. So you should have completed the packet. Make sure you guys are turning these in Google Classroom under assignments for mini QPA 2. A little look ahead to next week. We're gonna have another video upload. I don't know why I didn't put that. Wednesday, the 15th. So you guys have a little look inside the magic of what is going on. So a look ahead, we're going to start working on our big QPA, which is going to be analyzing a phenomenon that relates to our gas laws. So whether it be scuba diving equipment, a hot air balloon, cabin pressure in an airplane, you guys get to pick which one you want to analyze, and then you're going to discuss all about it. This is our the schedule for our new uploads. As always, here's my contact information. Please continue reaching out, coming to live classroom, texting me, emailing me, whatever you guys are doing. So, oh, I have the video turned off. That's fine. Okay. So after a little technical difficulties, I hope you guys have a great weekend and turn in everything. Turn in your packets. Stay safe. Bye.